Hi to all my followers, this is my first YouTube video, and this is electric 453 EQ electric smart with a defect battery. And this car is one of the worst on the market because everything on this car completely fails, and everything costs between 5,000 and 15,000 euro. And this car has honor to be the first one in my YouTube playlist. This one arrived from Serbia. This customer called me 12 months ago, but he didn't bring the car, and it would be better if there is any battery issue for any reason. Battery must be opened and repaired immediately. This one, with this one we don't have communication with BMS, and let's check what is problem inside. And let's see what we have inside. This car has only 2,000 kilometers, and we have a yellow battery sign and 12-volt battery error. When you don't have any communication with the battery from rest of the car, you have blinking battery icon. A lot of errors on diagnostic tool. We use launch diagnostic now when we need fast diagnostic, but usually we use original sentry tool. This is the error list. We have mentioning few times missing communication with battery management system N82/2. This is probably issue with the battery, and let's go take it off. And we took off the battery. Let's see, this is high voltage line with interlock and safety lock. This is the cooling pipes with 12-volt battery heater, liquid coolant heater. This is battery, and this is battery lid, and this is the battery. This was one of the hardest cases because this car was parked with the defect battery at least 2 years. When this happens, cells go below minimum voltage, minimum safety voltage. If that happens, it's really hard to recover the cells because those are LG cells. Those are slave boards for cell balancing. We disconnected because we use our balancing tool to balance the cells, and we have two issues here. This is completely depleted battery. We repaired, let's say, most of the battery cells. We have 340 volts. It was something around 15 volts before. And the hardest problem is not with the battery cells, it's with the BMS, because this BMS is made, software inside was made. If anything happens with the battery cells of battery voltage or anything, this BMS locks, and Mercedes wants you to change complete battery. You have P18051C error, and battery is completely killed because BMS kills it completely. It's produced by Hella and Automotive. This is same BMS opened, and this is example of the BMS, and we were the first one who discovered where is the error flag, and we erased it manually with directly connecting to the processor, and we erased this error flag. Now BMS is re-enabled, and we will test it now on the car if it works or not, or what are the rest of the error. Battery is connected now provisionally just for test, and we will climb and test the car. Okay, now we see state of charge. Battery is not blinking. Oh, we have ready on first attempt. And car drives. Now we will test original diagnostic tool. We will test if it's the original tool, diagnostic tool, to see how big is the voltage delta on battery pack. If everything is okay, we will charge the battery and we will charge to 100% state of charge. Then we will test if there is anything unusual happening, overheating or something, and if everything is okay, after manually balancing on second attempt, we will assemble the battery and deliver the car. I erased all DTC's errors with diagnostic tool, and on the first test, as you can see, we have about 300 millivolts delta. This is too big, maximum is 100 millivolts. Now we will need to investigate which cell is bad and try to repair it. This is second attempt. Bad delta, the biggest one, is visible on cell 44. In stage 2, after first attempt of battery recovery, car was running, but we tested the OBC charging to see if there is any cell imbalance. Later we found at the later stage that not only 28 cell, it was big imbalance, about 400 millivolts on 44 and 48 number of the cell. It means this one in the block 1, 44 in block 2 and 48 in block 2. We are now trying to balance the cells to 3.62 on 44. Let's see, we have 3.64, we need 62, and after manually balancing the cells directly on voltage sense wiring, we will assemble. We will test one more time the battery pack, and if everything is okay, we will assemble the car completely and deliver the car tomorrow. Now is 8 o'clock. I don't know, I don't have a clock, but we will continue tomorrow. Balancing of the rest unbalanced cells is finished. Now we are assembling the battery and we'll put it back to the car and finish the car. Ova strana. It's fully charged. And we will make the first test. No errors. Yeah, we have still imbalance on cell 2, cell 37, not too big. We will force active balancing on battery pack while driving. Car will need at least 10 charge and discharge cycles. Let's drive it. Yeah, job finished, and customer will arrive in 1 hour. We will make just one more test to see if everything is okay, if voltage drop is okay, and if there is any other issues on full load at full acceleration, because we need to see if there is any big discrepancies between cells, if there is any damaged cell beyond repair and with big internal resistance. For now, my job is done. Let's go to the next.